So how can you check your national lottery lines? It's really easy. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and then type national-lottery.co.uk. You could simply click on here to check your lotto, or you could go to the results, find the lottery that you got the ticket for, such as Lotto, click on check my numbers and then start entering your numbers. If you got more than one line, then click on here to add more lines. So you can keep on adding new lines. Then you can select between 7 days, 30 days or 180 days, and whether it was on Wednesday or Saturday. So you can leave them on, click on check, and then click on here to see the winning matches. So if you have won, it would say in here that you have won, or it would say no match. Also, it's very important to check the date that you have bought the lottery for and that it matches the date in here. And if you have won, then you can click on how to claim your prize. You could also click on prize breakdown for this draw for more information. And if you click on draw details, you could see the number of all the balls in the ascending order. So basically, the more numbers you got that match these numbers, the more prize you win. The order of the numbers doesn't matter. Please check this website for further details. If you got any questions, please let me know in the comments below.